Welcome to another episode of Mouthwatering Meals. Today, I hope you're all good, and we're going to be making a banana-ginger-celery smoothie. Okay, so we have some ingredients here. Celery from the backyard, and we have about 6 sprigs of it. Some of it broke while I brought it inside, but it's like 6 sprigs of it. So we're going to use that. And then we're going to have parsley from the backyard as well. This is 4 sprigs of it. Again, some came off while I was carrying it, but it's like 4 sprigs of it. And then this is for the presentation later in the cup. And then this is a piece of ginger that we're going to use. And these are 2 bananas that we're going to put in. And then we're going to have water, and we're going to have 1 tablespoon of lactose-free yogurt. Okay, so first, it doesn't really matter what you put in. Celery, we're going to play a little bit of basketball here. Scores, scores, scores. It's fun sometimes when you get to do recipes that you don't have to do super intricate. Perfect. Now that's all inside. See how easy this is? Pop that in, and then we're going to put in the yogurt. After that, you put the bananas in. I just sped it up just in case you may get bored, and then you put it in the blender for 20 seconds, and then you have this beautiful smoothie. And then you put the parsley on the side for presentation. And this is the rest of it here, in case they want more, and then this is the final product. So how beautiful is that? Make sure to comment, subscribe, and like, and tell all your friends and family. Alright, thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.